Hello YouTube. Well, today I am in search of a myth wrapped in a mystery. There's been tales going around this town for years about a school bus graveyard, and can't find it with Google Earth or Google Maps. All the aerial photos and leaf cover. From what I understand, I've been researching this and tracking it down, but what I was just told is that the school gave the buses to the college to store, and the college parked them out in a field, and the field they parked it in is now that. So if I can fight my way through the brush and prickers, let's see if I can find it. As they said, it was off of the baseball diamond. There's some soccer fields back in there. So that's the first thing, is get into the soccer fields and see if I can see it from there. Here's the soccer field. And I don't know what that is. But supposedly it's back over in there somewhere. So, rumor has it, my source has told me that he thinks he's been working for the school district for 34 years and they were here when he got here. He thinks they're from the 40s. So let's see if I can find it. He said last time he saw it was, he said only a couple of them, I guess, was about 12 years ago. So, and again, if I'm looking for yellow in the fall, probably not the time to look for it. But it is what it is. So I don't know if you can see, but right there, see the yellow? That's the school bus. Well, let's get over there and see what's left. I got a feeling they've been back in here for 40, 50 years, and it doesn't look like there's much left of that one, but who knows? Well, I was told there was two, but I see at least three. This one's in sad, sad shape. Got the bench all the way across the back, so the emergency door was blocked by the bench. Let's see what this one looks like inside. I don't know whether, I mean, all the seats are still there. Well, what's left of them. And obviously, people have found it. I don't know whether somebody rolled this or that tree grew up and pushed it over. Hard to say. Let me see if I can get up front, and then we'll go take a look at these. Obviously, the most valuable part of this particular beast is gone, the engine. But pretty cool. Well, let's take a look at this next one. This one's upright. All the glass is broken out. A little bit of rot over the wheel well. Not as many seats. This obviously was a same deal. Bench seat all the way across the back, and it was a front engine, and driver's seat's gone, but not much worth saving here. But it's definitely pretty cool to visit. And engine's gone. This probably was a one of those nice cool pointy snout dog noses. Be great if I could find a VIN number. Find out how old this is, or a manufacturer's plate somewhere. And let's check out bus number 3. Again, no engine, and been here so long, there's nothing really salvageable unless you want a really antique, probably got holes in it, fuel tank, or a classic door opener. Well, this one's, even considering the one that's rolled over on its side, it's probably in the worst shape because there ain't much of a floor left and the roof's caving in. No ceiling. But I'm still going to look around, see if I can find a plate here somewhere. Might be one, and that's why I brought my flashlight. So, well, there we go. Mystery solved. And I'm going to come back with my grandson, and we will put a geocache back here. So, and I think I'm going to come back for that horn too. Maybe it works. Maybe I'll have a cool 1940s horn to add to my collection. All right, we'll see you later, YouTube. And I probably didn't mention what town this is in. It's in upstate New York. Closer to Rochester than Buffalo. It's got a college in it. I've been camping near the canal. I'll let you do the sleuthing. See if you can find this. See you later. Well, as I'm walking out of the jungle here, bleeding all over, I keep thinking, wish I'd known about that 50 years ago. 40 years ago ish, when I lived here. And I mean, those buses might have been able to be saved in the late 70s. I like to think I would have grabbed them, but that's life.
Jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and palm for your women.